Hey guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, an independent designer for Couture. And today we're doing several ink projects. I guess I should say I am doing several ink projects. We have two holidays coming up, which really are surrounded by family and food. So I don't know how you do it in your family, but in ours, we all try to contribute to the food. So the host is not the only one that does all the cooking. That person can enjoy the holidays too. So what a great idea when you make your dish and bring it and you do one of these projects. You ink up a towel or a hot pad and stick your recipe in there and give it to your host. I think that's a really good idea and well received too. Now in this one, you saw me chalk both of those towels, and that is Made from Scratch is the name of the transfer that I used for both of those. And now this one is Gobble Till You Wobble. And I am using several different ink colors. And I'm not using traditional colors for the turkey. That's kind of what's fun about it. You can do any color you want. And I just like the combination of these colors and on that hot pad. But you certainly could do traditional, or if you don't have the color of ink, you can mix them, because we can mix our paste and our inks to get the color we want. So I did the hot mess technique, which you just dab different colors on there, and then just kind of take an S motion with your squeegee to blend them. And it looks like a hot mess until you take it off, and then it really looks cool. And here they are, all done for Thanksgiving. Made from scratch and cook, pray, eat. Perfect, right? Look at that turkey. Okay, now the next holiday is for Christmas. Now this transfer I'm using, it's called Season's Greeting, and it is our Club Couture monthly subscription transfer. The only people that can get this one are designers or Club Couture subscribers. And I'm just simply putting the white ink on the red pot holder. Really pops, doesn't it? Now, if you notice, I do have an ink blotter underneath, that black, and it blots, it keeps the ink from going through to the other side. And it also is slightly sticky, so it'll help keep your fabric in place. And here I'm going more for traditional colors. I did the red berries, and now I'm using pesto ink for the green evergreen. You just squeegee on, take off the excess, put it back in your jar. I love when you take this off and you see all that detail. One more tip when you're working with ink, because the natural thing on fabric is for it to kind of spread out, bleed out. If you spray your fabric with spray starch, spray adhesive, and let it dry, then do your inking, it kind of makes it tacky, and it keeps your ink from doing that. It keeps it where you want it, where you put it. Now this transfer is called Santa Approved. And as you can tell from the transfer, is well loved. I've used it quite a few times already. It still works really, really good. So for those of you who don't know, our transfers can be used over and over again. They say 8 to 12 times, but I have used them more than that, and it's just awesome. You take care of it and clean it and put it back on the backer, and you're good to go for next time. Now on this, I am just using black on the main part of the Santa. Kind of gives it an old time look. I love it. Look at that. Now, wouldn't somebody in your family or your host, wherever you're going, just love to receive that? Just stick your recipe in there. I love it. Thanks for watching.